just made it here in time to see the red 55 roll out, and Dad said there might have been carb issues, but I don't quite know what's going on here. Wanted to check out that track anyways. Looks like it's straightened itself out, and Aidan's likely driving, and so we'll find out what's going on here, but sounding a little rough. But this is the furthest this has moved in 2 months, and now it's stopped. So called Dad earlier, didn't sound too happy. He says the carb was leaking, or I don't know. I'm not a mechanic here, but it doesn't sound as smooth as it was the other day, and maybe it just needs to be warmed up. But like I said, it's the furthest it's moved in a while, and might be just checking how it shifts, because it's not automatic. Anyways, we got Yeti the Edders, Milo Blondie here. I could have swore I saw Georgie Porgy here. Donnie's here, I know that much. And then yeah, there's Georgie Porgy right there. Now, the deal I made with this customer is as long as it goes forward and backwards and it's running, it's done. Nothing pretty here. So they're probably just going to let it run for a bit, find out what's doing. Now, the other thing you're going to notice here is the side door has been put back on. Those were, okay, just open up those straps were all broken off. Dad had to fix that. I don't know if that cardboard's from us or from them. Okay.
Right here.
Anyways, like I said, this is out of the shop. First time it's moved this far in a while. Even got a sticker on the back, the Sultans of Spark. And that would be for the distributor they would have put in. And yeah, exciting days. Still gonna make out the bill for these guys. They're over budget, but I gotta leave tomorrow. And I got to get a bill for these guys to sign off on for Dad. So could be we're here till a couple more hours yet. So they just moved it back into the shop. Want to work on it some more. Oh shit. Okay, so it's back in the shop. We're going to work on it in here where it's warmer. Too cold outside. It's so warm last night, and so much ice had melted that it got frozen into the house last night. Front door and back door. I had to call a co-worker by to come smash in the door from the outside just so I could get to work this morning. Yeah. So what's the issue?
It's heating now. I think we have to put a thermostat in.
Okay.
No, the fan wasn't plugged in that whole time, Gary.
Yeah, but look, it's at 240. It won't get that way out. Like,
Okay. Do we have a spare thermostat, or we have to run to Carly?
They have a spare thermostat in their box.
Okay. Friday afternoon fun-rama here. Can't ever just have a easy day. Always seems to happen on a weekend where we're struggling for parts. I tell Dad every Friday, go get your parts, make sure you get it in. Sure enough, Friday afternoon something happens and we either don't make the store closing, or we end up having to call our buddy Steve to open up the store to get the extra parts. So yeah, now it's too much is going on here. Okay, well, we'll check in with these guys right away. So Aidan just put in the oil collection pan. He's going to drain the oil. I guess they already did the oil change, but they wanted to flush all the old carbon out of the system, and they're going to put new oil in again. And then Aidan was telling me that it was spraying gas out of the carb earlier, so they changed out the carb. When I called earlier in the day, Dad seemed a little down because he was a little down because he thought carburetor was fucked, but they got that changed out. Thinks he needs to put a new thermostat in, so thankfully we got one here in stock. We'll change that out, and it's just nice to see that this actually moved, though. I was a little worried about the tires on this side, but everything's straightened out. So we'll be here late tonight. Telling me that he sorted through all the stuff in here. It was in the back of the Bombardier. The yellow is what they could use, maybe, possibly. The rest of this is all junk.
Yeah.
But we're gonna give it back to them anyways. It's their stuff.
They must have been scared of breaking down because they had 2 carbs, 5 ignition coils, 4 fucking distributors, 2 extra fuel pumps,
Well,
gauges, solenoids.
well, it's good. Just in case, right?
We have half a garage stuck in the back.
Yeah, I know. Was that where that came from, or up top?
No, they have all that shit in here before.
Well,
Like
okay,
this
yeah. That was all stuff, yeah. Okay.
that oil looks pretty dirty.
I was waiting for you to get on the road so I could pull the plug. I can't get the plug from underneath there.
Well, you can't.
Okay, so anyways, the stuff's from up top. I just noticed that. That's where that stuff is, and it's back in there, organized. Aidan.
So these guys, when they put this motor in, they figured, okay, we'll cut an access hole in the bottom so when we drain oil, it'll come through there.
Yeah.
Well, number one, you can't get at the fucking plug from
Yeah.
the bottom. You can only turn it with the open end,
Yeah.
this much at a time from the top. And look at how it's fucking draining. It drains onto the belly pan, and the oil
yeah.
goes everywhere.
Okay.
No wonder they had fucking fires in there.
Okay. Well.
Because there's not enough room. Nice and warm.
So they're just draining out the oil here, the old oil,
Yeah.
and they're going to change out the oil and filter. So I heard some grinding underneath here. I think they might have had to open up that hole after all. Yeah, at least he's got the creeper out now, and he can get in there a little easier, move around a little easier. Okay, they got it running again in the shop. So when I first arrived, they had it running. Wasn't sounding the great, but it's sounding better now. Cleaner. What do you think, Aidan? Sound cleaner?
What?
Sound cleaner?
Sounds the same. We won't know what's going on until it comes up to heat.
Okay.
We'll see if that thermostat opens inside.
Right.
'Cause when we brought it in, it was at around 240, 250 degrees on the heads.
Yeah. Is that high, low? What is it?
That's fucking high.
Yeah.
That's real high. But it was down a gallon of coolant too.
Okay.
After we let it cool off and check.
Okay. So Dad put more coolant back into the rad there, and put the stickers on there too.
Stickers.
Yeah. So to me, it sounds a little bit better. But these guys are going to do their final checks here. Still got to probably end up telling the customer not to come this weekend until Dad says we're good to go. We just had the lights on, testing that out. It's sounding cleaner, a lot cleaner. Turn it over again. Starting up again. Turned off. So maybe the thermostat was the issue. Friday, February 6th, and we got a new Bombardier in the yard here. I don't know, is this Peter's Snow 75? We gotta go check in the shop. Our headed dogs, I got Yeti the Yetters and Nina Pinta Santa Maria and Mila Blondie. Where's my other two?